Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about the Aiper Scuba X1 Pro Max pool cleaner and how to troubleshoot when it's not sinking to clean your swimming pool. If your pool cleaner is doing what mine was, which is floating instead of submerging to clean, there's a couple of things we can do to fix that. First, look at the app. Make sure it's not set to skim. If it is, change it to one of the other options. I choose Hero because it does both the surface and the bottom. Next, we can look at the basket. This is expected. We should clean it out, but sometimes we forget and it gets to look like this. This can be an issue that can cause the pool cleaner not to submerge. Once it's clean, we can put it back in the water, give it another shot. If this was the issue, this will fix it. Another thing we can look at is to make sure the water intake is not clogged. Sometimes you get twigs, plastic pieces, toys, debris that will clog that and can definitely cause this issue. Once that's all cleared out, your unit should be able to submerge. We can also look at the sensors. There's water sensors and an ultrasonic sensors. The ultrasonic one is the bigger one. If you wipe those down with a microfiber rag like I just did, that will help because if they get clogged up with dirt, the unit cannot detect water, therefore will not submerge. Last but not least, we have the problem of trapped air, which was my problem for my unit. And to fix this, put it in at an angle. Manufacturer's suggestion is 45 degrees, forcing all the bubbles to come up. Once all the bubbles are gone, release it, it will sink to the bottom. And if there's any residual air in there, it will be forced out as the water intake starts to flow. So for anyone out there who may have the same problem I did, I hope this is helpful and good luck.